We've got a bunch of termite nests over here, and curiously they're all facing the same way. Got the cathedral type, and then one that's magnetic type, facing north to south. And the idea here is that one side of the termite mound will always be in the shade. There's your cathedral style mound. And we read on the information board that this termite mound is about 50 years old. There he is. Another 4 or 5 metre one. Slight touch. Oh yeah, it just feels almost like dried mud. Oh, bloody lovely. Termites, fascinating little creatures, aren't they?